Today we're going to do an activity that has to do with fall leaves that you can do inside on a really cold day. What you're going to do is you're going to take a coffee filter and you're going to trace a leaf design. I just got this one off the internet and I blew it up big enough that it'll fill most of a coffee filter. So you just put the coffee filter on and you can see the leaf through it. So then you're just going to outline it so that you can see where to cut later. Alright, so now we know where the leaf's going to be. And we could just cut it out using scissors. Alright, so now that we have it cut out, looks like a little fall leaf there, what we got to do is give it fall color. So since the fall colors are purples and oranges and yellows and reds, we're going to take some fall colored markers, and all they have to be is watercolor markers. So you can use any brand as long as they're watercolor, so that way they'll bleed because we're going to spray water on them. So you can do just little dots, whatever colors you want. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so I got some red. I'm going to add some orange. Maybe some yellow. And I like purple, so there's a little bit of purple on leaves sometimes. So once you get all your colors placed, now comes the fun part. So what we're going to do is we're going to take water and we're going to spray it on there. And that's going to make the colors bleed. Alright, so you can see the colors are bleeding. You can even hold it up and help the colors have somewhere to go. And then you just put it somewhere to dry, and it's pretty fragile when it's wet. But then after it dries, you end up with a pretty leaf like that. And of course, the more colors you do, the more colorful it'll be. The deeper the color, the more it'll stay. And then I just took some clear contact paper and kind of laminated it so it'll be heavier, and you can hang it up on the wall or the fridge or whatever you want to do.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.